Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today we've got a question. The question for the day is, can you use metal utensils on cast iron? He says, or she says, I thought it could mess with the seasoning. I'm a complete new owner here. So, you know, actually folks, I made a video about this a little while back about metal spatulas, and as you can see here in the video, I'm actually using a stainless steel spatula as I'm cooking scrambled eggs. And so, you know, I want to show for sure that, you know, you can definitely use a stainless steel spatula or whatever in your cast iron skillet, and you're not going to hurt it. As long as you're not gouging into the corners or whatever, you're not going to hurt a cast iron skillet because it is strong. It's cast iron, it's durable. And so don't be afraid to use your metal spoons, your metal spatulas on your cast iron. Now I understand the reasoning why some people say don't do that, because they're saying that you're going to scratch the finish on your seasoning or on your cast iron skillet. But the truth of the matter is, once you wash and clean your cast iron skillet up, you're going to be putting it back onto the stove, and you're going to add a coat of what we call a maintenance seasoning, coat of oil, just to to cover your cast iron, or at least you should anyway. After you wash and clean your cast iron, you should probably dry it out and add a little small coat of oil to maintain your seasoning on your cast iron. So anyway, it's a great question. We appreciate it. I know a lot of people worry about that, and I know there's a lot of fear out there saying don't do this and don't do that with cast iron. Some of this stuff is true, some of it's myths, and this is one of the myths about using metal on a cast iron. You're not going to hurt the finish on your cast iron skillet, so don't be afraid. And we appreciate the question. If you guys have any other questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll certainly try to get to them as soon as we can. Y'all have a great day. Now, it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Use your metal spatula. Y'all have a great day.